Did you know that BMW formerly produced aircraft engines? BMW started off as an excellent maker of aeroplane engines. Prior to moving to the auto industry, the company established significant advancements in aviation, setting records for both altitude and speed. There's no denying that BMW is now performing exceptionally well in the car sector. BMW also nails the fundamentals of EVs with its brand new BMW ix1, including performance, range, comfort, and more. But how does it stack up against one of Tesla's incredible successes, the Tesla Model Y? Let's investigate that. Hello, and welcome back to the Tech Edge. In today's video, we are going to compare 2023 models of the Tesla Model Y and BMW ix1. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss out on our future videos. Ever since the latest BMW ix1 is set to be released the next year, the sphere is on a roll. The uncanny similarities and comparisons between this BMW supercar and Tesla Model Y are a brewing topic of discussion. While the latter car has already been out earlier this year, its features and Ford are a part of this much-awaited BMW project as well. Hence, the motorheads are in a constant battle to decide the most suitable supercar between the two for them to choose. On one hand, Tesla Model Y emerged as the best-selling SUV in the United States, as per recent analysis. On the other hand, the much-awaited BMW ix1 series has been announced to release the following year, giving a neck-to-neck competition to the automobile hero of the market. Moreover, the immediate times have preferred an electric sport utility vehicle, SUV, over everything. Tesla went a little aloof from the prototype SUVs, making its Model Y a compact crossover SUV instead. The customers enjoyed an ample interior space along with a powerful BEV engine. Well, the BMW crossover SUV has a similar interface that would solve all of our long trips problems. The BMW ix1 comes with a hefty price tag with a whole loads of deluxe interior facilities. Tesla, much cheaper than that, comes installed with the latest DC-DC charging facilities. Tough call, isn't it? Price evaluation. As we previously stated, BMW ix1 is no easy deal to crack. The sport package ranged between $84,100 to $108,900 without including the destination charges. This mid-size crossover SUV sells itself in two sets, regular one and the high-performance one. Both of the versions differ only by the presence of a third row seat. Rest dual electric drive motors, all-wheel drive, 5-passenger seats and infotainment facilities being the same. Apart from that, BMW is known to provide 36,000 miles of free scheduled maintenance every 3 years. The 30 minutes complimentary charging at few verified charging stations at level 3 for the first 2 years is constant. Speaking of its contender, the Tesla Model Y ranges from $59,990 to $69,990 without including the destination charges. Recently, along with the long range and performance range, another feasible base model costing $59,990 was added to their website. Although the base model sales aren't unlocked until later next year, all of the different variants of the Tesla Model Y have similar automatic collision notifications, Wi-Fi facilities, AWED, 5-seater and an optional 7-seater as well. Not to forget, the entire infotainment facility of Tesla makes it win every time. So we believe the Tesla Model Y bags the trophy clearly when it comes to affordability and provision of similar features. Quality and warranty. The warranty coverages of both of these vehicles are astounding. Although, these cars aren't an active inclusion in the VDS or IQS departments of quality analysis yet. The reason for that being, it hasn't been long since this BMW project sold its first cars in early 2022. Tesla is never eligible for any awards following its strict secrecy and privacy-breaching laws. Nevertheless, warranty coverage of the BMW ix1 includes a standard warranty of 4 years first of all. Apart from that, it provides a similar 50,000 miles powertrain warranty over 4 years, a double-period high-voltage battery warranty, and a roadside assistance of 4 years as well. Now that's impressive. Meanwhile, the Tesla crossover SUV has a similar 4 years or 50,000 miles warranty, and 8 years of powertrain warranty, 8 years of high-voltage warranty, and lastly, a roadside assistance of 4 years. We must say, BMW just had this one until the prolonged powertrain warranty of Tesla came into play. Execution and performance. Let's talk about Motorhead's favorite part in this one, their efficiency. The higher performance variant of BMW ix1, the M60, is a beast in itself. It runs at a speed of 200 kilowatts or 268 horsepower just from the front. The rear system makes the whole body about 516 ep and an equally higher torque. Moreover, the BMW iX1 provides a one-pedal driving mode as well, taking your experience of driving a whole new level. In simpler words, you will travel at a rate of 60 miles per hour every 44 seconds. The 105 kilowatt-hours battery pack makes it go miles without charging. Speaking of breaking this 4.4 seconds record, then your Tesla Model Y can't help much. Not only is the horsepower less, but it can complete the same distance of 60 miles in 4.8 seconds. The Environmental Protection Agency's report would surely upset the BMW fans as Tesla bagged this award with a rating of 30 kilowatt-hours/100 miles. The powerful BEV engine of BMW iX1 M60 can only break the 4 seconds record by completing the same in 3.6 seconds itself. Speaking of Model Y speculations, its long range is AWD-laden as well. The car comes with a commendable higher capacity battery pack, 75 kilowatt-hours overall electric drive motors, and DCFC charging facilities as well. But we got to say, BMW beats not only Tesla here, but a lot of other upcoming counterparts too. Technical features. The BMW iX1 automobile comes with a breathtaking metallic paintwork, panoramic glass sunroof, and 19-inch alloy wheels. The interiors are laden with luxury styles and speculations like wireless chargers, sport leather steering wheels, and glass breaking speakers. The Sport model has a special inclusion of active sport seats featuring lumbar support and massage functions. The infotainment section is well equipped with a 14.9-inch display, along with the BMW AI Assistant. The features also include climate controls with a complete separate panel situated behind the steering wheel. Updated with the latest technology of factory navigation, voice recognition, and an augmented reality, BMW Personal ID will help you get to your frequently visited locations in no time. This habitual recognition feature that would detect your probable departure times is newly introduced in all of the BMW automobiles. The most striking part of the augmented reality mode is the 3D guidance, which is a sheer example of the progress we've made in terms of technology in our society. Apart from these usual updated features of Apple CarPlay, Android Auto smartphones, and a wired screen casting option is available. The Tesla Model Y always had a win-win situation going on when it came to technical speculations, and for all the right reasons. The commendable 15-inch infotainment curve should make you accustomed as soon as possible. The climate recognition features, OTA updates, wireless charging, and other secondary functions. The AWD feature uniquely controls the torque of the vehicle through means of digital combinations. This is why the Model Y is built differently when it comes to hitting the roads. This particular model of the Tesla line doesn't include Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, for which they haven't found a replacement yet. Hence, it is pretty clear that even if the Tesla Model Y has no competition when it comes to exteriors, BMW iX1 easily swayed everyone with its interiors. Well, Tesla is known to be selling for technology, so did the BMW iX1 made Musk technology seem standard? Comfort and driving experience. When Tesla came into the market back then, they were all about sustainability of energy. Not just in case of going all electrical, but it even had sustainable interiors, seemingly elegant. The customers are surprisingly wowed by the minimalist approach of Tesla Model Y's conventional design. The color palette of the Model Y cars should definitely be an honorable mention. The comfort of both of the cars revolve around being all about the driver's seat. Being BEV vehicles, the adults would be more than comfortable in the first two rows itself. Speaking of the astounding interiors of the BMW iX1, it sells what it shows. Although it would demand you to extend your budget, the interior is worth every penny. Not just seating capacity, the cargo capacity shouldn't be a matter of concern as well. Both of the cars have spacious storage rooms between seats. Although the Tesla Model Y has an advantage of optional 3 lines of 7 seats, the storage space offered by the BMW iX1 is much more as compared to its contender, sealing the deal in this category. Safety features. The BMW iX1 comes with an improved range of safety assistance like an active driving assistant. This package includes ADAS, a forward collision warning FCGAUD, lane departure warning LDDAUD, and blind spot warning BSDAUD, automatic emergency braking AEB, with rear cross-traffic warning. Meanwhile, the ADAS on the Tesla Model Y includes the similar FCW with AEB BSW and LDW. The autopilot package includes an autopark active parking assistance and a lane change assistance as well. Although the autopilot mode is a little controversial with ongoing legal wars, the safety score feature undoubtedly puts the Model Y ahead of its contender. Conclusion. From the head-on comparisons, it's pretty clear that pricing could play a huge role in deciding the better car. As we know, people always like to spend less for more features. This is the reason why the Tesla Model Y always had an upper hand in the market until BMW iX1 arrived. The features provided by the latter are worth spending your money on, but that makes the whole concept of SUVs irrelevant. At the end, some do really like the brand BMW, so the cars pretty much sell for themselves. Do let us know in the comment section below if you agreed to our analysis, and if not, then why? Thanks for watching. Peace out.